feel well at Fadisat.
So, I'm Karen. Matagal ko na talagang gusto kong magpa-chiro kasi nakikita ko siya. Then, matagal na madami siyang benefits. Napapansin ko lang is masakit talaga yung likod na part. Ang na-feel ko sa first session, more on parang na-address talaga yung concern. Because minsan sa massage, parang mas na-strain pa nga yung muscles. First impression, na malinis yung clinic. It helps also dun sa mga patient na, this clinic is clean and well-maintained as well as hygienic and sanitized yung mga ginagamit sa yung equipment. I really have a lot of good things to say. Kasi very professional, but they also exudes yung energy na caring. Parang it helps them. Kasi nga, yung condition nila is very hard on their part. So they need someone na ganun yung level of patience sa kanila. Para din at least ma-feel nila na gagaling yung condition nila. Important that I do the regular checkup. Mentally, you feel well. Tapos, syempre, it transcends na din na emotionally. You feel also good. Parang na-attract mo yung good things. I also believe that yung self-love is self-care is also taking care of your body. Dun sa mga may nararamdaman na, please make sure to visit, pa-check up kayo para you would know how to improve the condition that you have. Feel well at Fadisat.
Feel the love and feel the cheer.